Year Earth Day is celebrated on the 22nd of April. It is an annual event which focuses on global public awareness about the safety of our planet and of various life forms that it supports. It also aims at addressing various critical problems that our planet is currently facing, such as deforestation, air pollution and climate change.
माँ धरती के लिए एक दिन नहीं सालों भी कम है, पर हम पृथ्वीवासी आज एक कविता पृथ्वी दिवस पर धरा को समर्पित करते हैं। नमस्कार, मैं भव्य मल्होत्रा आईटीआई पब्लिक स्कूल कक्षा 8 का छात्र आपके समक्ष माँ धरती नामक कविता प्रस्तुत करता हूँ। हे धरती माँ, हे वसुंधरा, जग पर अब दया दिखाओ, आंचल पर तुमने हमको रहने को घर दिया है, पुष्प की हवा से सांसों को भर दिया है, रहमत में तुमने माँ कोई कमी न की, हम में ही सुख से जीने की योग्यता नहीं, करके कृपा जगत की फिर चेतना जगाओ, हम मनुष्य है नादान ऐसे सबक ना सिखाओ, संसार के ये ताप कष्ट एक पल में अब मिटाओ, हमारी तुच्छ बुद्धि को एक उजली सुबह दिखाओ, सृष्टि को फिर से सुंदर बनाने की क्षमता हम में जगाओ, फिर से इस सुंदर धरती से प्यार अब सिखाओ, इंसानों को जीने की एक नई राह दिखाओ, सद्बुद्धि दो कि देख सके भविष्य आने वाली पीढ़ी का, उन्हें कुछ सिखाने, उनसे कुछ सीखने का। धन्यवाद।
Fittingly, this year's theme is Restore Our Earth, which focuses on the need to reduce our impact on the planet as we recover from the effect of COVID-19. This year, once again, Idlings have taken the initiative to spread awareness digitally to align the activities with many of the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Here is a sampling of some activities performed across various classes.
पेड़ पौधे मत करो नष्ट, सांस लेने में होगा कष्ट, ना हो गरीबी ना हो भुखमरी, बस हो हर जगह सभी की बराबरी, खाने को हो रोटी और रहने को हो छत, पढ़ने के लिए किताब और दिल में हो जोश, लड़का हो या लड़की दोनों करेंगे नौकरी, मिलकर चलेंगे हम सब एक साथ, हाथों में डाले एक दूसरे का हाथ, स्वच्छ हो हमारा भारत, स्वच्छ हो हमारा वातावरण, स्वच्छ हो पानी के अंदर का भी जीवन, स्वच्छ है तुम और हम।
Then cover it with the cotton cloth and put it on the lower part of the bottle. Now put the sand in the and then put the dirty water. And after some time, you are observing that the water has been purified.
Be a wise man. Ocean is not a garbage can.
Emperor penguins are marching towards extinction due to global warming. How can we humans be so merciless? Healthy ocean and seas are essential to our existence.
Marine life is a like gold, yet we have managed to do tremendous damage to these precious resources. We must protect them by eliminating pollution and overfishing, and immediately start to responsibly manage and protect all marine life around the world.
We hardly find sparrows in Delhi. The reason for the decline of the sparrow population in Delhi is due to loss of habitat, diminishing ecological resources for sustenance, high levels of pollution, etc. This is all that is Goal 15, emphasis on life on land. In order to make people aware about biodiversity loss, I have made a bird feeder in which birds can come down and eat grain.
Our current reliance on fossil fuels is both unsustainable and harmful to the planet, which is why we have to change the way we consume and produce energy.
It is generating around 3 volts, so the LED is easily getting bright and is working.
I promise to keep it clean and green by doing the following steps. Plant more trees, recycle the trash, use mass transit, share my toys and clothes, take shorter showers, start a compost pile.
We, the students of IGL Public School Dwarka, pledge to sincerely initiate activities that will help to save the earth. We will make attainable lifestyle changes at home to save energy. We will conserve resources and dedicate ourselves to keep our Mother Earth clean. We will reduce, reuse and recycle to make every day Earth's Day. We care about our planet today and we can contribute our bit to make a difference for a better tomorrow.